Picture this, the iconic chaos of Black Friday erupting in the heart of New York City in 2025, where shoppers scramble for unbeatable deals amidst skyscrapers and subway hustles, a holiday tradition that's as thrilling as it is exhausting. Whether you're a seasoned deal hunter or a newbie eyeing those discounted gadgets, the 2025 Black Friday scene in the Big Apple promises to be an electrifying mix of frenzy and fortune. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this annual shopping frenzy a celebration of smart saving, or a reckless plunge into consumer excess that fuels global inequality? Stick around as we dive into what Black Friday shopping might look like across New York for the 2025 holiday season, breaking it down step by step so even first-timers can navigate the madness with confidence. First off, let's clarify what Black Friday is all about for those just tuning in. Traditionally held the day after Thanksgiving, it's the kickoff to the holiday shopping spree, packed with massive discounts on everything from electronics to clothing at stores across the United States. In New York City, where retail culture thrives 24/7, this event transforms bustling districts like Manhattan's Fifth Avenue, SoHo, and even bustling neighborhoods in the Bronx or Brooklyn into veritable battlegrounds of bargain hunters. Think of it as a high-stakes game where early birds snag flat-screen TVs at half price or designer handbags marked down to a fraction of their original cost, all while dodging the throngs of fellow shoppers elbowing their way to the front of the line. For 2025, experts predict an even bigger turnout, fueled by economic recovery and the lingering effects of inflation, making those doorbuster deals feel like a lifeline for many families. And this is the part most people miss, the evolution of Black Friday in a post-pandemic world. Gone are the days when physical stores alone drove the action. In 2025, expect a seamless blend of in-person and online experiences, with retailers like Macy's Herald Square or Best Buy integrating app-based flash sales and curbside pickups. For example, imagine reserving a hot item via a mobile app while you're still in bed, then dashing to a pop-up location in Times Square for pickup. No more camping out overnight. This hybrid approach not only caters to digital natives but also addresses concerns about overcrowding, a big issue in densely populated areas like NYC where foot traffic can lead to safety hazards or even altercations. But here's where it gets controversial. While these innovations sound convenient, critics argue that Black Friday's focus on more stuff at lower prices perpetuates environmental damage and ethical dilemmas. Consider the fast fashion deals at stores like H&M in the Fashion District. Sure, you might grab a trendy coat for $50 instead of $200, but at what cost to the planet? Many of these items are produced under questionable labor conditions overseas, and the rush to clearance racks often results in mountains of unsold goods ending up in landfills. Is it really a win for consumers if it contributes to climate change or exploits workers in developing countries? Some advocates push for more sustainable shopping, suggesting alternatives like buying from local artisans or opting for second-hand markets in places like Greenwich Village. Others defend it as pure capitalism in action, driving jobs and economic growth in a city that never sleeps. To help beginners wrap their heads around this, let's break down some practical tips for surviving and thriving during Black Friday in New York 2025. Start by planning your route. Map out key stores like Saks Fifth Avenue for luxury finds or Target in Harlem for affordable tech. Join wait lists for popular items days in advance, and consider teaming up with friends to divide and conquer. Pro tip: many deals now start online at midnight, so set alarms and have your credit card ready. Also, factor in the city's unique challenges, like navigating public transit during peak hours. The subway could be your best friend or worst enemy if it's packed. And don't forget safety, stick to well-lit areas and avoid overloading on impulse buys that might strain your budget. Looking ahead, 2025 could see innovative twists, such as augmented reality try-ons at stores or AI-driven personalized deals based on your browsing history. For instance, picture walking into a Nike store in Chelsea and having a virtual assistant suggest custom sneakers at 30% off, tailored just for you. Yet, this tech-forward shift raises privacy questions. We trading convenience for our data? It's a debate worth pondering, especially in a tech hub like New York. In wrapping up, Black Friday shopping in New York 2025 is set to be an unforgettable spectacle, a testament to the city's vibrant retail spirit and the human love for a good deal. But as we've explored, it's not without its shadows, the push for profits, the environmental toll, and the ethical quandaries. Do you see it as a harmless holiday tradition or a symptom of deeper societal issues? Is the thrill of saving hundreds worth the potential downsides? We'd love to hear your take, agree, disagree, or share your own Black Friday stories in the comments below. What changes would you advocate for to make it more inclusive and sustainable? Let's keep the conversation going.